Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at an introduction into Python lists. So in Python, lists are one of the four built-in data structures which can be used to store multiple items in a single variable. And some key features here of Python lists is lists are ordered. Lists can contain any arbitrary objects, and lists are mutable. Also, list elements can be accessed by index, and lists are dynamic. So this is an introduction into Python lists and some of its key features.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.